So on this episode of Bangin Gears, we're going to talk about where I've been, what I've been doing, and some major changes that are coming to this channel. Some major upgrades, but not here. Here. So where have I been, what have I been doing? As you know, I filmed for the local police department. I filmed a whole bunch of videos for them. That got me in touch with the local town hall. I filmed a video for them, and the entire time behind the scenes, I've been filming for another YouTube channel called Going Gainesville, which is a channel about local businesses and stuff around town. I've just been just a cameraman for them, and I edit all their videos as well. So the money I've been making, I made some upgrades. I gave my wife back her laptop, which I've been editing movies on for the entire year on a free version of iMovie that came with that laptop. And I've upgraded to this 27-inch iMac, and I've upgraded to Final Cut Pro 10. And I've dabbled with the software a little bit so far, but I really want to take the time to learn it. It's got so much cool stuff in it. It's so much bigger and broader than iMovie that I really want to take the time and learn the software and improve the quality of my videos for you guys enjoyment. I've also bought some other packages like the Accent Essentials package and a whole bunch of color LUTs and a whole bunch of things. I think it's going to really improve the quality of my videos, and I don't want to half-ass it. It's something I've never really done. I really want to just dive into it and really focus and learn it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the next couple of weeks off as well. And as I learn the software, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be posting short little videos about things I've learned, not tutorials, but just kind of little short, little quirky little videos on the Bangin Gears Facebook page. My new E11 blaster for my Stormtrooper suit. Jesus Christ! And I will put that in the description below as well. So I ask you to kind of subscribe to the Facebook page if you haven't already. Check it out. I do a lot of postings there that I don't do on YouTube. I do things on YouTube that I don't do there as well. So you kind of have to be on both at the same time to really get everything that this channel has to offer. But everything this channel has to offer is going to improve next season. So with that, I am going to let you guys go. Have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't see you. Gotta go. We'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears.
Truck, White Lincoln X-ray 985, should come back up past the building.
So unit 2000, Patrick Spalding.
10-4, if you can just put a little note on the log that I'm going to be leaving a note on the vehicle advising him to remove it.